Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to change home address on Google Map. So let's have a look now. I start by opening Google Map. Now go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Click on your data in Maps. I scroll down a bit and under Home and Work address, you will see Home options. To change your current address, click on it and now enter the new address. Click on Save, then Done. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.